Hey guys, it's the one and only HER.ARTIST, and I'm back with yet another female model drawing video. Now, before I start drawing today's girl, I've noticed that most of you guys have yet to subscribe to my channel, so please do so if you want to see more art videos of beautiful models. Also, don't forget to give this video a quick like while doing so. Furthermore, if you've got any suggestions on which model I should draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. And now that we've got that out of the way, let's start the video. So, today I will be drawing Your Dear, a famous Instagram model from South Korea. She has over 300,000 followers and over 640 posts on Instagram. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find much information about her, as she has written absolutely nothing about herself in her bio, which is a shame. However, I still felt that it was worth it to draw her, since she's very beautiful, and I really like the slight smile she has on this specific picture of her that I found. And last but not least, she reminds me of the Rose of Sharon. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know what you think of the end result in the comment section down below.